Here in the video, we will share the details for the eFootball error code CRTMC0020. The error reads, "An unexpected problem has occurred while communicating with the eFootball server." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access online matches in the game, but the error prevents them from accessing any matches. According to our research, the error is likely caused by connection issues between your system and the game servers. It can also occur if the game needs an update or there is an issue from the server side. Now let's come to fixes for the error. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your internet connection. Once done, try again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your game has any pending updates. If so, update the game and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Once connected, see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then probably the issue is from the server side. In this case, wait for some time and try again. We also suggest you visit konami.com/efootball/en/topic/news/list and check if there are any announcements related to the server or any other issues. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.